How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dome and stick interior cabin lights. Now, these lights would be perfect anywhere you need extra lighting on the interior of your vehicle, and we do offer our dome and stick light models. So let's go ahead and get our dome hooked up to power and go over the features. So here is our dome light model. Now this unit will measure 6 inches in a circle and will be about an inch thick. And you have 2 power modes here on your interior cabin light. So if you flip down here to power mode 2, that's going to be your low mode, and then power mode 1 will be your high mode on the intensity of the LEDs. Now on our dome model, you will have 21 LEDs in this unit. And again, you'll have a low mode and a high mode there. Now let's go ahead and go over our stick light model. So here is our stick light model. Now our stick light model will measure 16 inches long by an inch wide, and you'll have 15 LEDs on this model. And you'll have the same functionality as the dome. So in power mode 2 will be your low mode, and then power mode 1 will be your high mode. So you can decide if you want to run your work light in low or in high mode there. So that covers our dome and stick light interior cabin lights. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.